Chili pepper description of the plant. All chili peppers are varieties of several plant species in the genus Capsicum, including Capsicum annuum and their hybrids, which include some of the hottest peppers known. Unsurprisingly, the plants are most commonly grown for the harvest of their fruits, which are used as a spice. Hot peppers are perennial plants with varying structure. They can be herbaceous or shrub-like but are generally branching with green-brown stems and simple oval leaves. The plant produces flowers with 5-teeth petals which are usually white in color. Chili pepper plants can reach heights in the range of 0.5 to 1.5 meters tall, and although they are perennial species, they are commonly grown as annuals, with fruit being harvested for one growing season. Chili peppers may also be referred to as hot peppers or hot chillis. Capsicum annuum species are believed to have originated from Mexico, while the others are all likely to have originated from South America. Species and cultivars. There are 5 domesticated species of chili peppers. Capsicum annuum includes many common varieties such as bell peppers, wax, cayenne, jalapenos, Thai peppers, chiltepin, and all forms of New Mexico chili. Capsicum frutescens includes Malagueta, Tabasco, Piri Piri, and Malawian Cambuzi. Capsicum chinense includes the hottest peppers such as the Naga, habanero, datil and Scotch bonnet. Capsicum pubescens includes the South American rocoto peppers. Capsicum baccatum includes the South American argy peppers. Though there are only a few commonly used species, there are many cultivars and methods of preparing chili peppers that have different names for culinary use. Green and red bell peppers, for example, are the same cultivar of Capsicum annuum. Immature peppers being green. In the same species are the jalapeno, the poblano, New Mexico, serrano, and other cultivars. Peppers are commonly broken down into 3 groupings: bell peppers, sweet peppers, and hot peppers. Most popular pepper varieties are seen as falling into one of these categories or as a cross between them. Uses of the plant. Hot peppers can be eaten fresh or cooked as a vegetable, seasoning or garnish. Chili pepper pods are technically berries. When used fresh, they are most often prepared and eaten like a vegetable. Whole pods can be dried and then crushed or ground into chili powder that is used as a spice or seasoning. Chilies can be dried to prolong their shelf life. Chili peppers can also be preserved by brining, immersing the pods in oil, or by pickling. Propagation of the plant. Basic requirements. Peppers are warm season crops and grow best at temperatures between 18 and 30 degrees Celsius. They can be grown in many soil types, although sandy soils warm faster in spring and are good for early planting. The soil should have a pH between 6 and 7. Peppers will not tolerate water-saturated soil and should be planted in a well-draining soil or raised bed. Peppers should be planted in an area that receives full sun for most of the day. Sowing seeds. In most cases, pepper seeds should be started indoors 8 to 10 weeks before the last spring frost. Peppers should only be direct seeded in areas with a long, warm growing season, otherwise seeds should be sown indoors in flats or cell trays using a sterile seedling mix. Plant seeds to a depth of 1.3 centimeters and water lightly. Seeds should not be allowed to dry out as there will be a negative impact on germination rates. Trays should be positioned in a warm, bright, south-facing window or under fluorescent lighting. The optimum soil temperature for germination is 21 to 29 degrees Celsius. A heat mat can be used to warm the flats if required. Seedlings will emerge within 8 to 25 days, and after the seedlings has developed 2 sets of true leaves, then they can be moved to a larger pot. Seedlings should be provided with ample light and adequate fertilizer. Transplanting. Peppers are usually transplanted 2 to 3 weeks after the last frost when the soil temperature has reached a minimum of 15.5 degrees Celsius. Covering soil with dark plastic or mulch a week prior to planting outdoors can help bring the soil temperature up more quickly in colder regions. Allowing earlier planting. Beginning approximately 7 to 10 days before transplanting, plants should be set outside to harden off. The hardening off process is very important. Anthers peppers are very susceptible to transplant shock. The planting site should be prepared by incorporating plenty of organic matter to encourage vegetative growth. When transplanting seedlings, al. Low 30 to 45 centimeters between plants and 60 to 45 centimeters between rows. Side dress plants with a nitrogen fertilizer at planting. Drip or soaker irrigation is preferred to overhead irrigation and plow. NTS should be watered evenly to keep them moist. Mulching around the plants can also help to conserve soil moisture. General care and maintenance peppers will benefit from applications of fertilizer to keep them supplied with essential nutrients. A timed release fertilizer can be applied at bloom, or the plants can be fed with a liquid fertilizer at planting and every 2 weeks thereafter. In addition, pepper plants can produce a heavy load of fruit, and it can be helpful to provide the plants with some support using stakes or cages to prevent branches from breaking under the weight. Use a soft material to tie plants to stakes or cages.